Hello everyone, my name is Namrata Raghunath Bhuir. I am studying in B Pharmacy at Shivajirao Zondle College of Pharmacy, Asangaon. Today I am going to explain you the information about the Lycopodium spore method and leaf constant under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Bhoire sir as a professor and principal of our college. So let's begin. Lycopodium spore method. It is used when especially chemical and other method of evaluation of drugs fails to determine quality. Lycopodium spore method are very characterized in shape and appearance. It has 94,000 spores per present in Lycopodium powder. It consists of well-defined particles, single-cell cells or tissue, and the object of uniform thickness, the length of which measure and actual area calculated. Using this formula, we can calculate the percentage of purity of a drug. Leaf constants. First one is parasite ratio. It is the average number of parasite cells beneath one epidermal cell using 4 continuous epidermal cells for the count. It is determined from powdered drug with the help of camera lucida. These are the following examples of stomatal number. The average number of stomata present per square millimeters of the epidermis is known as stomatal number. Examples are Atropa belladonna, Datura metal and Osmium sanctum. Stomatal index. It is the percentage proportion of the number of stomata to the total number of epidermis cells. Stomata number varies considerably with the age of leaf, but stomatal index is relatively constant for a given species. It is calculated by the formula SI is equal to S upon E plus S. SI is the stomatal index, S is the number of stomata per unit area, and E is the number of epidermis cells in the same unit area. Example is Atropa belladonna. Stomata. The primary and important function of stomata is gaseous exchange. A minute epidermal opening present on array parts of plant. Stomata consist of central pore, 2 kidney-shaped singular guard cells, and varying number of absidiary cells. Types of stomata. First one, moss type, gymnosperm types, granaceous type, and dicotyledons. Following are other types of stomata: parasitic or rubiceous or parallel cell stomata. In this stomata, 2 guard cells covered by 2 subsidiary cells. Example is Senna. Diastatic or caryophyllaceous or crass cell stomata. In this stomata, the guard cells are covered by 2 subsidiary cells on a right angle to that of stomata. Example is peppermint. Anisocytic or cruciferous or unequal cell stomata. In this stomata, number of guard cells in 2 but covered by 3 subsidiary cells and in one in small in size with other 2. Example is Datura. Anemocytic or ranunculus or irregular cell stomata. In this stomata is surrounded by varying number of subsidiary cells. Example is Gigicalis. Actinocytic or radial cell stomata. In this stomata, 2 guard cells are surrounded by radiating subsidiary cells. Venn isolate number. It is defined as the number of Venn isolates per square millimeter of leaf surface. In the following table, the name of the drug and Venn isolate range is given. Next is Venn termination number. It is defined as the number of Venn termination per square millimeter of the leaf surface between midrib and margin is called Venn termination number. Then here is references. You can refer these slides for more information. I want to thank the President Dr. Shivajirao Zondle sir and Geeta ma'am and the principal of our college Dr. Nitin Bhoire sir. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe our channel.